It's going to be a quick review video on one of my improvements, one of my re-engineered, improved designs for an indestructible funnel. So I've been looking for these things for ages now, and I've never seen them. I've seen steel funnels, but the ones that are steel, they're not only expensive, they're also thin steel, which, you know, it's not the worst, but it's far from being good. I've seen some aluminum ones, which again are just garbage. So this is my extreme duty funnel. So it was actually really easy to make. Well, I didn't exactly make it. It's actually a byproduct of another project. So this is actually an end of a propane tank. And then I just used this reducer here, or you could actually just, it's just a standard thread. I think it's a 3/4 thread, and just a standard plumbing thread. And yeah, I just put this extension on it, and it's a bit too big, I'll give you that. But you know, I cut these propane tanks off for making a fuel tank. So this just happened to be very convenient. So I was looking at these like, what the hell could I make out of this? Maybe a frying pan, or... But I said, well, that would probably be dandangerous, because it's... you'd be frying some leftovers of propane, I guess. But I've got plenty of pans anyways. So I look at it and say, hey, this is a heavy-duty funnel. It's not 100% perfect because it's not made of stainless, or it's not galvanized, so it is subject to rust, as it is right now. But yeah, I could, you know, paint it and clean it. But it's pretty thick, as you can see, so it is a heavy-duty indestructible funnel. And this concept, you know, I could... another option I could do if I, you know, wanted to really make one is just buy the pipe, you know, and then just weld this piece on, or just, you know, do the same thing. It's just a funnel, right? But this, again, was extremely convenient because it was just laying around. So that's my heavy-duty indestructible funnel.